Alright, so the next step is we just take this transfer paper, cut it out a little bit bigger than what your image is, and you have a sticky side. So you peel the film off and you put the non-sticky side down and the sticky side up. And we take our image, this is sticky, take our image, glasses on, and place it on there. Try and get all the bubbles out and stuff best you can. I have a squeegee thing that you can use for this as well.
I was confused. Got it.
We'll have to edit that part out.
Sorry.
It's alright. And this is the part that you actually put onto your t-shirt. And we'll preheat the shirt. So we'll kind of just place it there to get an idea. What are you thinking? You put it where you think. It's a big shirt.
Yeah.
So we're just going to come down from that bottom 3 inches to the right. To this. So I'll put that there. Try to get equal distance. Use this as my marker. There. That's my center. Down there. And we're just going to count to 15 seconds. I think I was doing 20 before because it was a little bit lower temperature. Then, this is hot, so be careful when you're doing this. Gently peel this off. The letters would probably be my worry. 1, 2, 3. See if that works. What do you think?
That's pretty sweet.
Beautiful.